Ever wondered what the weather's like on other planets? It's a question that has sparked curiosity and driven scientific exploration for centuries. You might think weather is just about whether you'll need an umbrella or sunblock for the day, but it's so much more. It's a crucial aspect of understanding the very essence of a planet, its atmospheric dynamics, and ultimately, its potential for hosting life forms. From our closest neighbor Mercury to the gas giant Saturn, each planet in our solar system presents a unique meteorological mystery. Some have weather so extreme it's almost unimaginable. Scorching heat, chilling cold, powerful storms, and bizarre phenomena that stretch the limits of what we understand as weather. So buckle up. We're about to embark on an interstellar journey, a voyage of discovery that will take us from the sun-scorched surfaces of inner planets to the chaotic and stormy atmospheres of the outer ones. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the insane weather conditions on different planets. First stop, Mercury, where a day is longer than a year. This small, rocky planet holds a treasure trove of meteorological mysteries. Let's start with the most obvious one: its extreme temperature fluctuations. Mercury's close proximity to the sun means its daytime temperatures can soar up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's a tropical paradise. At night, without an atmosphere to trap the heat, temperatures can plummet to a bone-chilling negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, from a roasting oven to a deep freezer in a single Mercurian day. And speaking of days, a day on Mercury lasts 2 Mercurian years. So if you find a year too short, Mercury is the place for you. It's a world of extremes, where the sun blazes in the sky longer than anywhere else in the solar system. So if you're planning a trip to Mercury, pack for both scorching and freezing conditions. Next up, Venus, where it rains sulfuric acid. Imagine a world where the skies are perpetually shrouded in thick swirling clouds of sulfuric acid, a place where tempestuous storms churn ceaselessly, and the heat is so extreme it could melt lead. Welcome to Venus, our solar system's proverbial pressure cooker. This isn't your typical earthly weather forecast. On Venus, the atmospheric pressure is 92 times that of Earth. That's comparable to what you'd experience about half a mile deep in our oceans. And the temperature? A blistering 870 degrees Fahrenheit on a good day. But wait, it gets weirder. A day on Venus, the time it takes to rotate once on its axis, is longer than its year. That's right, Venus spins so slowly that it takes more time to complete one rotation than to orbit the sun. Talk about a long work day. Venus proves that weather isn't just about rain and sunshine. Let's travel to Mars, where it snows dry ice. Mars, our celestial neighbor, is known for its red soil, but it is its weather that truly sets it apart. This planet has a thin atmosphere, which allows sunlight to strike the surface, causing the temperature to rise. However, the thin atmosphere cannot hold on to the heat, leading to frigid nights. Mars is also infamous for its dust storms, which can be so massive that they encircle the entire planet. These storms can last for weeks, blocking sunlight and causing temperatures to plummet. Now, imagine a snowfall, not of water, but of carbon dioxide or dry ice. This is a common occurrence in the Martian winters, when temperatures drop enough for the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to freeze and fall as snow. So if you're planning a trip to Mars, pack wisely. You'll need to prepare for dust storms, dry ice snowfalls, and a thin atmosphere that offers little warmth. On Mars, you'll need more than just a winter coat to stay warm. Jupiter, the gas giant, is next, with its great red spot. Now, Jupiter's weather is not something to be taken lightly. It's a swirling, churning cauldron of high-speed winds and ever-changing cloud formations, making it a storm chaser's dream, or nightmare. Let's delve into the Great Red Spot, an iconic storm that has been raging on Jupiter for at least the last 300 years. This storm is so grand, it's about twice the size of Earth. Imagine that. A storm so massive that it could swallow our planet whole, twice over. Now that's an impressive tempest. But it's not just the size of the storm that's mind-boggling. The winds in the Great Red Spot are incredibly swift, reaching speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. That's faster than any storm on Earth, and it gives a whole new meaning to the term gale force winds. Aside from the Great Red Spot, there's another fascinating aspect of Jupiter's weather: the jet streams. In fact, Jupiter has multiple jet streams, more than we have here on Earth. These jet streams are responsible for the planet's banded appearance. They create a series of dark belts and bright zones that encircle the planet, each with their own unique weather conditions. These bands aren't just for show though. They're made up of ammonia clouds, and the different colors represent different altitudes and temperatures within Jupiter's atmosphere. Some bands have towering thunderheads reaching up 40 miles high, while others are home to tranquil white clouds. And let's not forget the lightning. Jupiter's lightning is 1,000 times more powerful than Earth's. It's like a celestial light show with bolts that could outshine the sun. So from its gigantic long-lived storms to its colorful cloud-filled bands and powerful lightning, Jupiter's weather truly is a spectacle to behold. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and power of weather in our solar system, reminding us that Earth's weather, as wild as it can be, is just one small piece of a much larger cosmic puzzle. Jupiter's weather truly is a spectacle to behold. Our final stop is Saturn, home to a hexagonal storm. Yes, you heard it right, a storm of such shape that it defies the very laws of nature we're familiar with on Earth. Imagine a hurricane with 6 well-defined straight sides, swirling around Saturn's North Pole. This perplexing phenomenon, first observed by the Voyager spacecraft in the early 1980s, continues to baffle scientists today. But the hexagonal storm isn't Saturn's only weather oddity. The planet is also notorious for its colossal, hurricane-like superstorms. These tempests are so large that they could swallow our Earth whole and still have room to spare. Unlike hurricanes on Earth, which lose their strength over land, Saturn's superstorms sustain their intensity for long periods, sometimes even for several Earth years, due to the absence of a solid surface. These superstorms are not just an impressive display of nature's might, but they also play a crucial role in Saturn's atmospheric dynamics. They churn up material from the depths of Saturn's atmosphere, bringing heat and other energy forms to the upper layers and maintaining a balance within the planet's gaseous envelope. And let's not forget the influence of Saturn's iconic rings on its weather. These rings, composed primarily of ice particles with a sprinkle of rocky debris, cast shadows on the planet, altering temperatures and influencing the creation of wind patterns. It's a celestial dance of light and shadow, temperature and pressure, all culminating in a fascinating weather system unlike any other in our solar system. So while Saturn might be known for its stunning rings, its weather is equally captivating. From its hexagonal storm at the North Pole to its mighty superstorms, Saturn's weather is a testament to the diversity and complexity of the cosmos. It's a reminder that even within our own solar system, we can find phenomena that stretch our understanding of nature and challenge our perceptions of what's possible. Saturn's weather is a beautiful yet deadly ballet of natural forces. A spectacle of cosmic proportions, it is a testament to the endless wonders that the universe has to offer. We've journeyed through the solar system, uncovering insane weather facts. Let's take a moment to reflect on the wild and wonderful weather we've discovered on our cosmic tour. First off, we braved the intense fluctuations of Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system. Its weather is a tale of two extremes, with scorching temperatures soaring to 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and plummeting to a frigid -290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Talk about a wardrobe dilemma. We then ventured to Venus, Earth's twin in size but not in climate. This planet surprised us with its sulfuric acid rain. Yes, you heard it right. Acid falling from the sky. Venus's thick atmosphere and high pressure turn what starts as regular rain into a corrosive downpour before it even hits the ground. Next, we explored the Martian weather phenomena. Mars, the red planet, has a frosty secret. It snows there, but not the kind of snow you and I are used to. Instead of water ice, it's carbon dioxide ice, better known as dry ice. Imagine a winter wonderland with dry ice flakes. Our journey took us further to the gas giant, Jupiter, home to the Great Red Spot. This is a tempest twice as wide as Earth, raging with winds that whip around at speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. Now that's a windstorm. Lastly, we marveled at Saturn's hexagonal storm. A bizarre six-sided vortex that's been swirling at the planet's North Pole for at least several decades. It's a storm so large that 2 Earths could fit inside it. From sizzling Mercury to stormy Saturn, we've seen the weather at its wildest and weirdest. It certainly gives us a new perspective on our own earthly weather woes. So next time you complain about the weather, remember it could always be worse. You could be on Venus in the middle of a sulfuric acid rainstorm.